Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a sway bar link on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, break loose your lug nuts, 19 millimeter. Jack up your vehicle and use a jack stand, and then remove the lug nuts and take the wheel off. So we're going to take an 18 millimeter wrench here and stick it in the back here. There's a 18 millimeter slot to hold the back to keep the ball joint from spinning. Then we're going to take a 15 millimeter socket, stick it on that nut right there, and then we can break these loose and take this nut off. If you just let that wrench spin around, it'll catch on the strut and hold itself while you take the nut off. Now we need to do the same thing with the one down here at the bottom. Remove the 15 millimeter nut, and then we'll be able to remove the sway bar link. I got this new sway bar link online. I will have it linked down below where you can get it online. Now you can install your new sway bar link here. You might need to bend the ball joint a little bit to get it to line up with the hole. Once you get the nut threaded on there on the back side, you can start tightening the nut and it'll just pull itself right in. If you get aftermarket stuff like I did, there's a good chance that it's going to be a different size wrench and socket to go on here. So for mine, it's a 16 millimeter wrench on the back side and a 17 millimeter on the nut. I rarely ever have to use a wrench on the back side there. You can usually just tighten the nut up and it just squeezes really tight. And so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.